Shenzhen Shenwangda Technology Co., Ltd. Your global expert in mobile phone repair equipment. Since its founding in 2012, Shenwangda Technology has been dedicated to R&D and innovation in mobile phone repair equipment, empowering the global repair industry with efficient solutions. Laser Machine Series, Screen Polishing Machine Series, Screen Separation and Lamination Series, Smart Repair Tools. The brand under its wing is TBK. Sold across Asia, North America, South America, and Europe, with registered trademarks in multiple countries. Trusted for quality worldwide. Why choose us? Cutting-edge technology, quality assurance, global support. Partner with Shenwangda Technology, TBK Smart Tech for faster repairs. Join hands with TBK for a winning future.